Holy Shin. For the second time in less than 5 months, magician Shin Lim has won America's Got Talent. This time, it was the champions.
Incredible. Shin Lim joins us today. You got some magic for us. Congratulations
Thank
again.
you so
I
much.
mean, you were
It's
just
crazy.
here.
It's crazy.
You almost turned this show down. Why were you not going to do Champions at first?
I was so tired, you know? Like after AGT, I was like, I just want to go to sleep. Like I think I can take it easy from now on. And I heard like Susan Boyle was going to be going on, and like even some of the first place winners from Britain's Got Talent. So I initially was like, okay, that's too much competition for me. I think I'm good. But then I thought about it, and I figured, you know what? Like, when am I ever going to get this chance to go against like Susan Boyle, Paul Potts, Darcy Lynn? You know what I mean? That's kind of crazy. And they're so talented. And I was like, you know, it's kind of an honor to be a part of that cast. So I said, yeah.
But you spend a great amount of time planning and creating these illusions.
Yeah, it takes a while.
Were you stressed about how much time you'd have to get ready for this competition?
I didn't have enough time. It was only a couple of weeks or days to prepare, so that was one of my main worries actually. So it was very last minute. A lot of the routines were kind of done like a day before, but
Nobody knew the difference. I mean, you pulled it off.
Pulled it off.
And then some. Meanwhile, your sweet, should I call her wife or fiance, Casey?
Yeah.
Because you haven't gone through the full ceremony yet.
I know.
But how have you guys been celebrating?
Well, it's been really busy, so we're trying to find time to kind of plan the wedding, but it's kind of hard in between all of these craziness. But we'll be doing it in Hawaii and sometime in August. So.
Fantastic.
I'm already imagining the wedding hair for you. I'm already seeing
it's just gonna be blowing in the wind.
Oh, yes.
So you've got a trick for us.
Yes,
I
of
hear.
course.
Did you practice this one more than once?
Yes, yeah, this one is well rehearsed. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Because it's a camera here. It's not gone well for some
Like
magicians.
we can't cut and redo this.
Nope,
This is live.
we're live.
It's live.
Perfect.
He's used to live,
Even
though.
better.
This is good.
I'll riffle down. Just say stop anytime you want. Okay.
Okay. Stop.
Right there. All right. It doesn't matter if I see the camera can get it. We're gonna make it unique though. You're gonna sign your name all across the face of the card.
Okay.
So all across, really, really big.
Just like all?
Yeah.
Big.
Wonderful. So we have the 6 of clubs. Tell you what, we'll grab the next card over, the 8 of hearts. Do you want to sign that with your name?
Sure.
Perfect.
My name's a little longer than
It's okay.
his.
So we have the 6 of clubs, and then we have the 8 of hearts. Tell you what, can I have your hand out like that?
Don't do it now.
And grip on it, grip on the card, grip on the card.
Okay.
Hold on like that. So if I have the 8 of hearts like this, watch the card. 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
What?
And that means you have the 8 of hearts.
See?
Right?
What?
So, but maybe but maybe you've seen that before. You've
Get
seen
off my
that
sleeve.
before.
Where'd
So
it
tell
go?
you what, I'll make it a little bit different. If I can tear the card in half, see that makes the card a little bit different. Yeah, I mean
Very
obviously
different, yeah.
maybe you've never seen a card torn in half. I don't know, or maybe you have. My life's pretty boring, so. But tell you
We've
what.
seen cards ripped in half.
Yeah, that's okay. We have the 8 of hearts and the 6.
Okay.
Tell you what, we'll actually take the 6. We'll place it in the pocket like that.
Okay.
We'll leave the 8 over here, and if I take the 8, and if I can put it together just enough, I can actually get them to fuse. Watch, I'll grab the 6 in my hand. You can't see it, can you?
No.
No, it's invisible. But if you imagine enough, I can actually get those to fuse as well. So not only do I fuse the 8, but I also fuse the 6. Wait, but watch, get a nice close-up of this. Watch, I can get the 6 and the 8 to actually change places in half. So is that indeed both your signatures?
Yes.
Yes, it is. You can keep those cards.
want
They
You can keep
worked.
it.
Oh, this is so ridiculous.
John Dornbos was here, and he was freaking us out this way, too. You guys, this is unbelievable. We're not done with you because you're going to be performing at the Mirage in Las Vegas,
Yes, I will
right?
be.
So that you can check out the North American tour this summer. Look at our signatures are merged. We've got one more trick coming from Shin Lim coming up in a little bit.
It's going to be good. We're back with Shin Lim, the only 2-time AGT winner. I hear you got another trick.
Yes,
And this one
I
you
do.
didn't find on YouTube.
No, I did not. Well, actually, no, I did. I did find
You
it.
do find some tricks
Yeah,
on
I
YouTube.
do. I get inspired, and that's how I kind of come up with my own stuff.
All right, let's see it.
Okay, let's
But
see this one.
can I have your, actually, I want to have your hands out like this.
Okay,
Flat
out like this?
Oh, yeah, palm down, like that.
Palm down,
Great, and
got
up
it.
a little bit.
Got less than a minute.
Good. Close
Okay.
down your fist. Great,
Got it.
perfect. Drop one, doesn't matter which one. This
drop
one?
one.
Okay, fine,
Okay.
that's cool. Leave that, leave that
Okay.
up though, okay? All
Okay.
right, watch. We'll take this marker, we'll draw an
Okay,
X
is this gonna
right
freak
over
me out?
here. No, it's
Yes.
not.
Freak
This
me
is a
out.
very easy
Okay.
trick, so
45
you'll be
seconds.
fine.
Gotcha.
You'll be fine. I'll be quick. Watch. Watch the X on my hand. If
40
I can
seconds.
Just,
No.
if I can
Wait,
take out
what?
the ink,
No, no, no,
Watch.
no, no, no. I
Watch.
don't
No,
want to
no, no,
know
no.
where
Hey,
this
hey,
X
wait,
is
wait, wait.
going.
Watch the X
Okay, I'm watching.
onto the deck. Watch the top of the deck.
Wow.
And then it vanishes. I didn't touch your hand the entire time,
No.
did I? Open your hand slowly. Show the camera.
What? What? What?
I told
Grab
you
your
it's a
wallets,
simple
kids.
trick.
Okay, I am not shaking
Grab
your
your
hand
wallets,
again.
please. Who's got your credit card? Your birth certificate? Shin Lim, check his pockets.